Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a crispy fried chicken. ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើមាន់បំពងដែលមានរសជាតិហឹរតិចតិចឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំចាប់ផ្ដើមធ្វើហើយគេដំបូងឡើយយើងវះមាន់ដើម្បីពេលយើងប្រឡាក់ទៅវាចូលជាតិអូខេយើងអាចវះពី3តង់ក៏បានតែទឹកចិត្តយើងនៅពេលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាវះមាន់អស់ហើយយើងដាក់ចូលចានហើយយើងនឹងលាយ sauce លាយអីតាមតម្រូវចិត្តរបស់យើង So after we cut all the chickens we going to put some sauce and ingredient whatever you like in your family. So I'm going to put some garlic on it. It is like garlic. យើងផុតហើយយើងផុតម្សៅម្សៅនេះធ្វើដើម្បីឲ្យមាន់នឹងស្រួយយើងអាចផុត2 or 3 spoons ហើយមួយទៀតគឺខ្ញុំដាក់ corn starch ខ្ញុំដាក់វា3ស្លាបព្រាដែរតមកអានេះគឺរបស់ពិសេសអានេះគឺ five spice powder ដាក់ទៅត្រូវវាមានក្លិនឈ្ងុយAnd I'm going to put some chili powders. I like spicy. If you guys like spicy, you can put how much do you like. The last one, I'm gonna put some soy sauce on it. Or you can put some salt if you like. I'm going to put some sugar, like a spoon of sugar. Okay. And the last one I put 1 egg. Put that pong one more and by a real need to chin. មកយើងលាយវាចូលគ្នា Hi, welcome back. After 10 minutes we are checking our chicken. Yeah, our chicken looks good after 10 minutes. So right now we go into the fryer for frying our chicken. Okay, ឥឡូវយើងបានដាក់ខ្លាញ់ឲ្យក្តៅហើយដល់ពេលយើងខុកវាយើងមានជំរើស2ជំរើសទី1យើងបើកខ្លាញ់ឲ្យក្តៅហើយយើងខុកchicken ហ្នឹងតែម្ដងជំរើសទី2គឺយើងបើកកម្ដៅវា medium ប្រហែលជា300 Fahrenheit តមកយើងខុកវានៅ deep fry ម្សៅទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យខ្លាញ់វាចេញអស់ឥឡូវនេះទម្លាប់ខ្ញុំគឺខុករបៀបទី2គឺខ្ញុំខុកវាmedium temperature. Yeah, ដល់ពេលយើងខុកវានៅកម្ដៅ medium temperature វាធ្វើឲ្យ inside and outside chicken well done and you can make it crispy if you like it. If you cook it in a medium temperature, the chicken could be done in 12 to 15 minutes, the maximum. I will say 15 minutes. So បើចឹងនឹងលោកអ្នកខុសវានៅសីតុណ្ហភាពប្រហែលជា300ឬក៏ medium យើងត្រូវប្រើរយៈពេលពី12នាទីទៅ15នាទីដើម្បីឲ្យ chicken យើងឆ្អិនល្អទាំងក្នុងទាំងក្រៅឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនឹងទុករយៈពេលឲ្យវា12ដល់ទៅ15នាទីហើយខ្ញុំនឹង check មើលវាម្ដងទៀត So our chicken looks good. The process looks good right now. It looks really crispy. When I marinate the chicken, I didn't put the the fish sauce and the black peppers. But if you guys like fish sauce and a black pepper, yeah, welcome to put it. Or you can put a little bit more chili powder if you want chicken to be a little bit redder. If you want color, to put a little bit more chili sauce on it, or chili powder. I mean chili powder. Yeah, នៅពេលយើងដាក់អាម្សៅបន្តិចហើយនឹងអា corn starch បន្តិច corn starch ខ្មែរខ្ញុំនឹងហៅគេពេលដាក់តិចទៅវាធ្វើឲ្យអាសម្បកខាងក្រៅមាន់យើងហ្នឹងវាស្រួយហើយវាឡើងពណ៌ល្អតែកុំដាក់វាច្រើនពេកវាធ្វើឲ្យស្បែកម្សៅវាក្រាស់ ខ្ញុំដែរនៅខ្មែរមាន corn starch អត់ទេអា corn starch ហ្នឹងដឹងដូចទៅហៅម្សៅពោត Yeah, right now it's about 3 minutes. Our chicken looks good right now. Now it is 3 minutes right now. ឥឡូវ3នាទីបានកន្លងផុតហើយឥឡូវយើងនឹងដកមាន់ចេញមកហើយ Yeah មាន់របស់យើងមានពណ៌ល្អក្រៀម crispy. It looks good to me. It's very good. It's very crispy. Now we will try it out together. Okay, now we try out our chicken together. Let's see when I open it. Wow. Chicken looks good. Hot. It looks good. I like to dip it with ketchup, but you guys can dip with any sauce you like. But I like ketchup sauce. That's so good. It's so hot. Wow, very hot. Yeah, my chicken looks good. Very yummy. Yeah, right now I think I'm done my cooking today. I'm gonna eat my dinner. Um, I want to say thank you to you guys for your time by watching my video. If you like and if you like my video, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. See you for next video. បើសិនលោកអ្នកចូលចិត្តវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំសូមមេត្តា like and subscribe my channel. Yeah ជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយទៀត. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.